Hi, today we are going to talk about pins and where you can actually link your pins on Pinterest if you don't have website yet. So there are a couple of options here, and I give you special tips where you can link your pins, because Pinterest is a great tool for entrepreneurs and content creators. But if you don't have website, it doesn't mean you can't use the full potential of this platform. So let's dive in how you can do it. My name is Michaela, and I'm Pinterest manager and strategist. I'm here to help you and show you the full potential. And this video is example of how you can actually use the full potential of this platform, even if you don't have fully created website, and maybe you're just starting out with your business. So you don't want to invest in creating website, which is going to take some time. Maybe you don't have the skills. So let's dive in and let's see what you can do if you want to start with Pinterest, but you don't have your own website yet. The first tip, you can actually create, let's say, kind of website in Canva. Maybe you know Canva. I love Canva. It's a great program. You can create all your pins, all your social media content, even posters or anything. But even you can create like a one-page website. It's a kind of like a landing page a little bit, because you create one page. It's like a portfolio, and you can even buy your own domain. Like, for example, pininspiration.com. I bought this domain. Or you can use free domain, which is kind of like pininspiration.com, mysite.canva, which would be like a free option for you. So you don't have to even invest in the domain, and you can use this from Canva. So you can even upload your domain if you buy it, or just use it what you have in Canva and create kind of like a portfolio, which you can use. Which will be like a one page, like a one page website. You can use this website to actually put it in your pins. It's a great way how you can actually, drive the traffic from your pins to your website, where you can have some links, maybe to some other options, maybe your contact details, what kind of services you do. So this is the first option you can do when you want to link your pins on Pinterest to some content, to some website like in Canva. The second option is you can link your pins to YouTube channel. Like you are watching right now on YouTube, you can create a YouTube channel like me. And in each description of the YouTube channel, you can also put some other links, maybe to your social media, or maybe some contact details, or whatever, what kind of services. So YouTube is great because it's a long-term platform like Pinterest, and it's also based on a searching like a keywords. So if you create like videos like I'm creating right now, you create your YouTube channel, and then each video on YouTube has own link. So this link you can use to actually link to your each pin. So for example, I want to attract the audience on Pinterest about Pinterest and marketing and business. I will create many different types of pins. I'll put them on Pinterest, and each pin I will drive the traffic to my YouTube channel, which I want to monetize later on. My goal on YouTube is always to monetize it. So I need to drive the traffic there to my YouTube channel. And how I'm going to do it? From Pinterest. So each pin, I will put different links to my YouTube channel, to my YouTube videos. So this is another tip you can use if you don't have website. You can basically create Pinterest and YouTube, and then drive the traffic from Pinterest to YouTube channel. Perfect. The third tip, and it's probably my favorite, it's create a landing page. What does it mean? Landing page is like another solution without website. You can showcase your services, you can showcase your products, and it's like a tool. Ideally use, let's say, MailChimp on ConvertKit, Mailerlite. I use Mailerlite. It's my favorite because up to 1,000 subscribers, you can basically use this platform for free. And you can create a landing page for free too. So if you're just starting out, this is perfect platform. But you can use, I would say second option would be ConvertKit. I use it before Mailerlite, but Mailerlite is my favorite for these reasons. So you go and you just sign up to these platforms, email marketing platforms, and then you create inside of this platform a landing page. What does it mean? I create different pins, and then I will drive them to the landing page. Maybe I am offering my services, my products, webinars, workshops, courses, and then I drive all of them to the landing pages. It can be different landing pages, not only one. So you drive from the Pinterest to these landing pages, and when somebody, let's say, sign up to a workshop, they will leave your email. So it also means you are going to create your database. Email in this moment, in this world, let's say, it's the perfect solution if maybe you lose they block your profile on other social media and you lose all the connection with your audience. But if you create a database and you have an email for your audience, it's perfect because you can just send them an email and say, look, my social media was blocked. Here I am. If you want to buy something from me, you can just have a connection with them through email. So landing page, it's a perfect way you can connect Pinterest and with your services, with your products, with your, let's say, webinars or courses without actually having your own website. The last tip is you can link basically your pins to social media. For example, recently Pinterest announced you can connect Instagram and Pinterest. I would only recommend it when you're starting out and you have a good content on Instagram. Why? Because anything which goes automatically from Instagram to Pinterest, on Pinterest, these, let's say, posts are not very optimized. Recently, Instagram changed the way that you put the post, but they're a little bit higher, a little bit better than before, but still they're not optimized for the keywords like on Pinterest. So I would recommend this option to linking your pins from Pinterest to Instagram only in case you are starting out, you have nothing created, you don't know how to use Canva, you don't have any email provider, you don't want to do YouTube videos. This could be the option for you, but it's not a recommended strategy for a long term because as long as somebody clicks on the pin and goes on Instagram, you will lose this person because they will start scrolling on Pinterest, on Instagram, and basically you lose them because they never come back to your pin, right? So you can also sometimes, link to Facebook group, Facebook page, or LinkedIn site, but it's not a long-term strategy. And Pinterest is long-term platform. So I would say, okay, if you're starting out, start this way, connect maybe with social media, link your pins to there. But in the long term, I would use one of these three options, like I was saying before, which means YouTube channel, landing page, or basically creating your one-page website in Canva. So these are the options I would recommend you to link your pins if you don't have your own website yet. In the long term, again, I would always recommend create your own website because with your own domain. Why? Because you can connect your domain with Pinterest and it will give you a little bit of boost, a little bit of better engagement than if you don't have website connected to Pinterest profile. If you like my videos, for sure subscribe here because every week we have new videos. And if you like to grow your Pinterest profile and get some free Pinterest audit, sign up here. There is an Excel file. You can put your profile and I will give you free audit with tips and tricks how you can improve. So let's do it and I will see you next week.